In Nyandarua County, dairy farmers are turning to new climate-smart technology to address the perennial challenge of fodder shortages and losses caused by traditional silage methods. The innovation, now gaining momentum across the region, promises faster processing, higher quality feed and drastically reduced wastage. Our reporter Dennis Otieno tells us more on this week's Smart Farm.
For decades, dairy farmers in Nyandarua have relied on the traditional pit silo approach, which is labor-intensive, costly, and unpredictable. Many often lose entire pits of silage when oxygen infiltrates, causing spoilage. But today, farmers here say a new technology is rewriting that story. For Monica, the difference is life-changing.
Hii machine nimefurahi sana kuona kwa sababu sasa inaenda na technology. Zamani tulikuwa tunashiba mashimo, tunakanyaga hiyo nini, alafu tukikataa kukanya na makatasi iko na bei ghali sana. Sasa hii haitumii pesa nyingi.
Her neighbor Elizabeth Wanjiro echoes the same relief.
Hii machine nimeona kazi yake ni rahisi, si kama ile tunatumiaga huko kwetu manyumbani. Mimi vile nimesoma ni hali ya kufanya kazi kwa haraka. Na nikaona packing ni nzuri.
Alafu mambo ya storage, unajenga kanyumba kadogo tu, unaweka magunia. Sasa instead ya kuishiba hiyo shimo kwa sababu tunatumia kwa shamba, unaweza tumia na mambo ingine.
And behind this newfound confidence is a new technology introduced to help farmers cut costs, improve feed quality, and guarantee long-term preservation.
What it does, it's able to process different kinds of fodder variety depending on what the farmer has. So it ensures that whatever you have, as long as it can be fed to a cow or to a sheep or to a goat or even to camels and even to pigs, it can be processed through this technology because of the chopping the chopping component. So it's able to chop very finely at between 2 to 8 centimeters and also grind so that it can remove all the juices. And
Teresia Wanja, a silage expert, says the machine does what traditional pits cannot: precision chopping, nutrient mixing, and vacuum sealing.
And the other important aspect is the TMR, the total mixing ratio aspect. So the mixing part ensures that you're able to mix the fodder with various nutritious aspects where you achieve the energy levels that you want and the protein levels that you want. And that through that feed formulation, the fodder is very nutritious. And then, of course, the vacuum and sealing. So the vacuum and sealing ensures that you remove all the oxygen. And of course, the other advantage is the fact that once you vacuumed it, within 14 days, it is ready for use. You don't have to wait for a very long period compared to the traditional methods.
Unlike pit silos, where spoilage is almost inevitable, the oxygen-free environment guarantees consistent, nutritious feed for months, even years. With traditional methods, farmers spend heavily on labor and digging. The risk of rot remains high. But with the new technology, the cost of making feed drops dramatically to less than 3 shillings per kilogram, and the results are predictable. Nyandarua, one of Kenya's top milk-producing counties, continues to suffer from climate-induced fodder shortages. This innovation, they say, is part of a broader push for climate-smart agriculture, ensuring farmers preserve fodder, reduce losses, and boost milk production year-round. Dennis Otieno, Smart Farm.